we are back. So this is a happy day. On the next day, I already tell you I'm gonna make a simple assignment, and I already give you the assignment. So this is the second video. So after 3 days, I upload the first one. Now 3 days, it can be more than 3 days. I'm not sure. I'm gonna upload it with 3 days. So the collection of whole numbers, we can revise it, or we can just go to assignment. First, we have to revise it. So, what is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. For example, the collection of people in Eritrea, or the collection of people in Nigeria, the collection of people in the continent Africa, or United States of America. Now, United States of America is not a continent really, but can say it like that. So, okay, the symbol for set is called braces. I didn't tell you about them. These are called braces. This one and this one. So the last one is we have to use capital letters to denote sets like A, B, C, and even up to Z. So we're gonna the collection of whole numbers. We have to write. It is the answer is set or not set. It is set. T is equal to 1, 2, 3. Element or not element. 25 is not element to T. 3 is element for T. 5 is not element for T. 25 is not element for T. 3.0 is an element. 2.0 is an element because 3.0 is 3. 2.0 is 2. 1.5. 1.5 is not element. This is a I know all of them are simple, but this is literally not simple, but a little bit difficult. So as you see, 1 and 2. It just said 1, 2, 3 only. 1.1 is not element. 1.2 only 1.0 or 1 is an element. So we are gonna finish our. If you have a question about this, I'm really able to accept your question. Wait a second, I'm gonna have a tissue paper. So as you see, I have the tissue paper because I don't have a duster. So, sorry. On this video, we are going to say about counting member of a set notation. We use number of A to show number of members of set. We can call it cardinal number of finite sets. There are two kinds of sets. We are going to learn them in the future because it could be bigger for you. Finite and indefinite. Finite is a kind of set that you can list all the members But indefinite is a kind of set you cannot list all the members. For example, finite or indefinite. This is for indefinite, this is for finite. For example, A is equal to curly bracket 0, 1, 2. This is finite. On indefinite, 0, 2, and 20. Then it's gonna be an indefinite. That these 3 dots are not a known cause they are indefinite up to. So what if the set B have 0, 1, 2, what is this named? This is a simple question. You have to be patient and gentle. This is a finite cause 0, 1, 2, up to 100. It says 100. This is the last number you know. So we are going to write it 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 100. This is named as 0 up to 100. But this is 0 to 20 up to not a number over here. And these are 3 numbers. So these are finite and the indefinite mean. So consider the set of the first 4 natural numbers. Okay. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, number of A is equal to how much? We are going to count this a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to be 4. Simple answer. Okay, we can read as this as number of elements of set A is 4. The number of elements of A. These are elements. These are the set A, and these are the cardinal number. So, number of elements of set A is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is simple question. So you can just see other examples. It is literally simple, but I'm going to show you an example that you can make it, but some of the people I know does not know about this one. So R is equal to curly bracket 5, 8. So what is this? Number of R is equal to question mark. So this is going to be your assignment for this episode, but this is a simple question. We are going to leave it because it should be your assignment and you have to know it by yourself. So let's go to this. An element is written only once in a set. The element can be written in any order of set. If you have a 8 over here, you cannot repeat the 8 over here. No, because an element, note that an element is written only once inside, only once. That is a rule. So you can add two numbers. For example, you can add two numbers by just getting the first number and having the second number, because if you have only one number you cannot add it. So in this situation an element is written only once because it should be once. We don't know. It is a rule. So we are gonna just say about one single thing and we are gonna finish this video and we are gonna see this on the next one. Set. A set with only one element, its member is called singleton. What is singleton? Singleton is a set that have only one member. Only one member. So, for example, set A 5. This is gonna be a singleton. It is very simple. So we are gonna leave it by over here because it is very simple. For example, let me give you other example and we are gonna finish. Set B is equal to we are going to learn about this. So I don't have to give you this one because you didn't learn about it. It should be at the future. So we are going to finish over here. So don't forget to make this. If you don't get this, it is just said number of R. What is the number of R? You have to count the numbers over here and you have to list them over here. So on the next step, as I told you, if you are right, you are going to make a right. If you are X, I'm sorry, you have to click on X. So goodbye, we are going to finish with this.